The National Audubon Society is a nonprofit environmental organization that advocates for bird conservation across the Americas. Here's their website where over 140 million records are compiled into models to show the impacts of climate change on birds. You can find the full report on this site. Primary findings show that two-thirds of North American birds are at risk of extinction from climate change. Looking a bit closer at the data, we can view the survival by degrees. Keep in mind that birds will be facing threats from both climate change and anthropogenic impacts resulting in habitat loss. Here we can measure vulnerability under 3 different warming scenarios. This is the current range for the common loon, seen here in yellow. Let's see what happens if the global temperature goes up by 1.5 degrees. Notice how some of its range is improved, seen in green, or even gained, seen here in blue in the north. However, towards the south, some of its habitat is either degraded, as you can see in orange, or lost in red at 12%. If we increase the temperature to 2 degrees, notice how the range shifts further north and more habitat is lost. At 3 degrees, a significant proportion of the loon's range in southern Canada is degraded or completely lost, as its habitat shifts closer to the Arctic Circle. You can explore these maps for other birds as well, such as the bobolink and the wood thrush. You can also explore the difference between its summer range and its winter range. If we scroll down a little further, this graphic here shows us the vulnerability in birds with different habitat requirements. Under 1.5 degrees, we can see the proportion of birds that'll be stable or vulnerable. Notice how as we increase the temperature, the vulnerability of birds largely increases. Boreal forests and Arctic habitats in particular have high proportions of highly vulnerable birds, and we know that the North is experiencing higher temperature increases compared to the national average. For example, for the pine grosbeak, a boreal forest bird, notice how it gains 15% more habitat but loses 81%. Down here, you'll find a larger list of bird species for you to explore further. Let's try the American robin. You can explore its range map under different warming scenarios over here, and also find climate threats specific to the bird. Under 3 degrees, it looks like the American robin faces particular threats from fire weather and stronger spring heat waves. Feel free to explore more of this website using the link above. Thank you for watching. You can check out our other YouTube videos or stay connected with us through the social media platforms we've posted here.